Andun.
You might have noticed earlier that the local tribe of Tuesday was actually praying to the birds for divine intervention. Now these are very common because birds are actually a very good biological indicator. Now in every after calamity such as earthquakes or typhoon, if you happen to see birds flying above us in a circular pattern, that's actually a good sign that it's now safe to return. So please, look for these kinds of signs.
In every disaster, we're given the chance to rebuild, to assess our mistakes and to learn from them. We hope you join us in our efforts to preserve and conserve the environment. Remember to always be part of the solution and not part of the solution. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the cast and crew of the longest running interactive bird show here in the Philippines, and we have been doing this for the past 20 years already.
And that ends our show. We hope you had fun. We hope you learned something today, but most importantly, cherish this moment with your family, friends, and loved ones in this beautiful paradise we call Malagos Garden Resort. For all last words is going to be coming from Rookie. Say, bye-bye! Dagang salamat, umayong punta sa natin